Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and today I'm rolling up my sleeves because I'm so excited and ready for this recipe. We're going to be making a creamy butternut squash sauce that we're going to be tossing in our fettuccine pasta. It's so creamy, it's delicious and so simple to make, so let's get started. At a medium heat, we're going to add some olive oil. And to that, you're gonna add your onions and your garlic, just in there, pump it in. And don't worry, all the measurements are gonna be down in the description, so feel free to look at those. And just stir this around. You're just looking for your onion and your garlic to release all those delicious flavors. And your onion needs to get to a point where it looks translucent. Okay, so it looks like we've reached that point. Now we're gonna add our butternut squash. Toss it in there. Oh, this smells so good already. And next you're gonna add your chicken stock and your basil leaves. Just mix it in there. And we're gonna let this cook until your butternut squash is soft and fork tender. Meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and start our fettuccine. So make sure you salt your water, boiling water. So let me make my heat a little bit higher. And we're also gonna add some olive oil to prevent your pasta from sticking. Now that your water is at a rolling boil, add your pasta and let that cook. We want to make sure that we slightly undercook it. We need it al dente because it's going to finish cooking together with our butternut squash sauce. Okay, so once your pasta is done, you're going to go ahead and remove it from the heat, drain it, run it through cold water to stop the cooking process because we don't want to overcook it, and then just let it drain until you need it. This dish is coming together easily and it smells so good already. My kitchen smells like butternut squash soup, which so happens to be a favorite of mine. Okay, so once this is done, we're gonna turn off the heat and transfer your squash into a blender. We're also gonna dispose of the basil leaves. They've done their work. We don't need them anymore. Okay, so you're gonna have some of that chicken stock left over as well, so just add it in there carefully because it's still kind of hot, so you always want to be careful with hot liquids. All right guys, so make sure you add your salt and pepper to taste. Now we're gonna blend this. Hold on, right here. And this is still hot, so you want to make sure you start it at low speed. We don't want anybody to get burnt, so low speed is what you want. And then just open up your cover so that there's an escape hole where all the steam can go. And if you're worried about anything splashing, you can just simply cover it with a towel. And hold on, I gotta plug in my blender. Okay, we're good to go. If you're enjoying this video, consider subscribing. Then also don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every time there's a brand new recipe. And the squash is nicely pureed, so let's head over to our stove once again. Okay, so to your same pan, you're gonna add your butternut squash puree. So gorgeous. On low heat, by the way, because this is going to start bubbling. Mix that in. Next, you're going to add your half and half and your butter. And incorporate that well. Okay, so we're gonna let our sauce continue cooking, and I just want to go ahead and make sure that my salt is good. It is perfect. So the time has come. We can go ahead and add our fettuccine. Just toss it well. Let your pasta cook in the sauce for a couple of minutes. This recipe has a perfect ratio of sauce and pasta. As we all have experienced, pasta tends to soak a lot of the sauce, in many cases leaving you with dry pasta. This recipe solves that issue. Once the pasta has cooked and your sauce has thickened up nicely, turn off the heat and let's enjoy. This sauce is amazing, and our half and half together with our butter gives this sauce a similar flavor profile to an alfredo sauce. It's creamy and so deep and profound in flavor. And we are not done yet. There are a couple more ingredients I like to top it with. First, chili flakes. If you like a bit of a kick, you are so going to love what chili flakes does to this dish. I feel like it enhances its flavors even more. Some Parmesan cheese and chiffonade basil leaves to garnish. Now it's time to eat. I've been waiting for this moment. I love the pasta, the sauce, and the toppings. It all came out incredible. This is so creamy, it's nutty, it's got a hint of sweetness. It's just perfection. I hope you like this video. I hope you try it at home. Come back and let me know how it went down in the comment area. Also, give us a like if you enjoyed this video. And remember, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your day.